night. Told him I wanted to launch on the highway. He said I'll launch in the parking lot. Okay. So we're gonna launch a 2019 2.0 turbo exhaust RaceChip stage 7 premium gas tuned launch in the parking lot. I still haven't even felt RaceChip, have I? Give me everything. Show me everything that it's got. And Kevin's now RaceChip, what, stage 3? Or are you doing the 7 as well?
No, it's on the 7.
It's on the 7. Sounds so
I don't have anything cool like launch control or nothing like that. He's got the better car.
He's got the better car.
I got the 1.8 Gen 3 1.8.
Oh. All right, Kevin. I want all the sauce. I want to be able to like not hang on. Kevin, at this red light, activate your launch control. I don't have it, bro. Oh God, it feels like it's been so long. It feels weird to be on camera. Welcome back to the show, Wheelman. What are we doing today? We are going to take the top off the Corvette. We are going to stroll down to Emerald Coast Motorsports, where Mike's son, the owner of Emerald Coast Motorsports, is going to put some MNR springs on his 2018 Volkswagen. Got a new lithium battery for the Nightster. So I figured I'd go down there, we'd shoot some video. Volkswagen stuff seems to do really good. It's a pretty sought after subject on the World Wide Web. So we're going to cruise down there and see how that's going and maybe get you guys a little review on the ride quality. I mentioned to Kevin he probably shouldn't do it with his family sedan that's a daily driver, but he said they're very comfortable once they're installed. So let's go down there, let's go check that out. Pulling up, that sounds dramatically excessive.
It's perfect.
It's what?
Perfect.
It's perfect. I like that. This side's been done.
Oh, they're all done.
So this is blue. And these are M&R?
H&R.
H&R race springs. So essentially this car only got a lowering spring, correct?
Yes.
Well, it all has to be done. You just undo the strut and it drops down and you just slide the spring in there.
Okay, so in order to do this, you take this bolt out and this bolt out.
Okay.
Of both sides.
Both sides?
Otherwise your arms won't drop low enough.
Okay.
To get the stock springs out.
Okay.
Now, a lot of people will undo the sway bar.
Okay.
That's unnecessary. You can just pull
That's
it,
unnecessary.
You can just pull it down on it.
Yeah, it looks like a swivel.
Yeah, so it just pulls right on out there.
Mm-hmm. So all four sides are now done.
Yes.
Are you freaking out right now? Are you excited?
I'm very excited. It's gonna look great.
I'm very excited. So what year again is this?
It's 2019.
This is a 2019.
2020, bitch.
And you have the 2.0 turbo.
And he's putting down 330 wheel.
And what was the stock power? What was
230.
230.
Yeah.
We're now on RaceChip. We're on the stage 7 tune. Is that's not exaggerative? It's literally a stage 7.
Yeah.
On premium gas only. Can't run regular gas on a stage 7 tune.
Yeah.
So 230 stock. RaceChip premium stage 7 made.
330.
330. 330 wheel horsepowers. Through an automatic. This has got a paddle shift, right?
Yeah.
And this is a 6-speed, 7-speed, or 8-speed?
7-speed.
7-speed.
DSG.
RaceChip.
You know, honestly, I think they match up. Bell houses and everything. Yeah.
You gotta find yourself like right.
You know, a little Evo.
That's what I've been thinking. You know, I'm already working on modding the code and stuff like that.
You got an Evo? Yep. How much power does this blue one make? Like 600?
What, that blue one?
Yeah.
Hasn't made anything but a break-in tune so far.
Awesome.
And as far as the break-in tune, we're talking about it just runs.
We're talking about it just runs. And how much of these springs retail? Like 230, you said?
Yeah.
230 bucks. It lowers the front an inch, the rear an inch and a half.
There we go.
What exhaust is on this thing?
It's AWE.
AWE exhaust. Is this a full 3-inch?
Yes.
How much is this thing?
Factory. That's factory.
This is factory?
It's a factory downpipe.
Factory downpipe.
Oh,
Yeah.
that makes sense.
This is just the cat.
This thing needs
That's
more
the
flex
pre-cat
pipe.
way up there. There's just so much restriction.
So much restriction.
You got no, he's just got the cat back.
I like the tips.
Oh, the black
I love the
chrome.
black tips.
It's 200% profit, man.
Hey, I don't like where this is going.
Feels good.
See what it did.
Yeah, let's see what it did.
4-finger gap in the front down to like a 2-finger.
Yeah,
Hoping for the same thing in the rear.
That'd be nice.
that'd be nice. Well, you should, essentially, because it's hiked up more in the rear. Give it maybe 5 to 10 minutes to settle, worst case.
That looks so good.
Yeah, it looks way. It's actually a tad bit lower in the rear than it is in front.
Well, the front hasn't settled yet. The coils, as soon as you roll it back and forth, they'll settle out.
Oh, yeah.
Looks really good, Michael.
Can you finger the fender well for me again, Kevin? Only you.
2
do it.
fingers from 4 to 2.
All right.
I got 3 up here.
You got 3 up
it's
there?
legit on
roll it
camera.
well. You got it neutral still, right?
Yeah.
She'll settle
For some reason, Kevin, I don't feel like this process
This is a
actually does
professional
anything.
tactic.
No, actually. 2 fingers.
Man, this is so much finger banging.
Little girl fingers?
I got 3.
Little girl fingers, a little hostile.
Fuck,
in
your 3 fingers is only my 2 fingers.
Hey, there's a new like policy on YouTube about kid friendly, so let's.
Gotta pay
Oh
for it, bro.
god, oh jeez, I'm gonna have to beep beep. Oh. You know, I hate to say it because I'm not a huge Volkswagen fan. It looks neat. It looks so conveniently like not overdone,
I know.
aggressive.
Go for a ride in it.
It almost looks like a Subaru. I figured we'd all go for a ride. You gotta go for a ride.
Oh, I gotta get the vet in.
Oh my god. Yeah. I'm kind of curious to see your reaction.
A little stiffer.
Yeah. I still haven't even felt RaceChip, have I? Give me everything. Show me everything that it's got.
We gotta wait for this guy to go. I can't turn quite this tight. Well, let's just settle when we go. Cool.
Volkswagen, let the Volkswagen out.
Little shaky.
Yeah, seem to have a little wobble. Wheels might be off balance.
Yeah. Gotta get it aligned and tires balanced. I think I hit an exhaust tip on the ground.
Oh no!
It'll tell you launch control program. Launch control program active.
If anybody wants to comment down below and tell me what in the world this on a C7 C06 means, we are all dying to know. All right, told him I wanted to launch on the highway. He said I'll launch in the parking lot. Okay. So we're gonna launch a 2019 2.0 turbo exhaust RaceChip stage 7 premium gas tuned launch in the parking lot. this pavement definitely grips his tires more than that highway does, that's for sure. All right, Volkswagen heads, it's a nice Saturday afternoon. Figured I'd hop in the vet, grab some spring footage for the 2019. It obviously dropped it some, and it gave it ridiculous handling because he took that corner up there at like 95, which was insane. And talked a little bit about RaceChip. Figured I'd cover RaceChip because I didn't hear about it until like a couple weeks ago, and they're running RaceChip, and I got a deal going with them and get a new shop down the way. So yeah, RaceChip Springs Saturday, Corvette, Murica, Kevin, fuck off. We're gonna have to edit button that one.
You're gonna have a lot of work.
Yeah. He's gonna be like, every time Kevin goes to say something,
Dude, I gotta download the boop because I got 30 boops for this video.
yeah.
Boop. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the like button for us. Get us out there. Lots of new people here again. I do appreciate it. Again, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We'll hit it with the outro.